guys, welcome back to my channel, Aesthetics with me. So today I'm going to be doing a coloring tutorial for my TikTok account. So like this coloring tutorial, cause why not? So yeah, let's get started. Yeah, and before I get started, I just want to say thank you so much for over 15,000 subscribers. I can't believe this. And yeah, let's just get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to save a video, and I recommend saving a video that has good lighting. Like, don't pick something that is filmed in the dark or like outside in the night, because then if you put a filter over that, like as you can see, the filter I do, it makes the video more grayish. So if you have a video that is like filmed in the dark, it will just make the video more darker, which isn't gonna look good. So if you have a video that has good lighting, for example, let me show you a good example and then like a bad type example. So something bad, what would be considered dark? Yeah, like if this was a video, just pretend it was a video, it wouldn't be like, the lighting wouldn't be like proper or whatever. But if it was something like this video, it has pretty good lighting. So yeah, you can use something like that. So the first thing I do is I go into Ultralight, then then you select your video. Okay, select your video. Or another example, bad lighting example would be maybe this, but if the lighting was a little bit darker. But okay, let's just move on. So if you like this video, for example, then you're going to press on edit in the bottom, and you're going to go on this little triangle thing. This thing right here. Okay, then you're going to put clarity up to here, like around the middle. And you're going to put sharpen all the way down. And then you're going to put emphasize to the middle, and you're going to put noise to the middle as well. So it's going to look something like this. And what you can do if you don't want to do this, if you don't want to like make the filter all over again every time you do a new, make a new video or whatever, you can go onto this little thing that's called presets. And over here, it will say create preset. So you're just going to click on where it says create, and you can name it. You can name it like my filter number 1. Okay, but I already have it. Oops. Okay, yeah, so I saved it now. See, I have so many filters. I have like stuff, detail Charles, my lightness one. I don't know at this point. Charlie Grace D'Amelio or something. I don't even know my favorite. I don't know what this is. The cool thingy blur one over color tone. Yeah, I have a lot of filters saved, but you're just gonna do this one. So this just makes it easier, so you don't have to create the filter all over again. Oh no, my Ultralight app is being mean to me. Okay, I guess I have to restart now. Let's go. I'll just select a different video. Okay, there we go. I don't know why Ultralight takes forever to save, but it just does. Oh, and a lot of you were asking how to make your own filter on colourtone, so I'll show you guys today, because a lot of you were confused. Okay, next you go into Prequel, and you click the plus button, then you select your video. Oops. See, I always click the X button. I don't know why. Okay. Then you click adjust. Actually, no, you don't click adjust this time. What you do is you click on filters, not effects, but filters. Because I always used to click effects. But you go into filters, and you just scroll down until you find the filter. Hold up. Stockholm. It looks like this. So I saved it, and to save it, all you have to do is you just click it. then over here there will be this option to save. I already have it saved, but yours will look like this, like white. So you're going to just save it. And then, oopsies, then it will be in your saved. So you're just going to use Stockholm. Then you're going to go on adjust. Okay, adjust. And you're going to put shadows to 100. And you're going to put blur to 100. And glow to 16. And then save it. You can change it up a little bit if you want, but I just like it like this. Okay, then after you save it, you go onto color tone and you select video at the top right, no, left. Yeah, left corner. Select your video, then import. Select it, then click edit on the bottom. Yeah, then click this edit button on the bottom. And to make your own filter, what you can do is you see all these like different buttons that say contrast, exposure, color, HSL, curves, and so on. You can just click those and you can just like put the contrast to wherever you want to put it. And you can make it bright or dark or dull or awesome or not awesome. Whatever you want to do with it. I would rather not mess around with this because I will mess everything up. That's a cool filter. I'm going to save it for future. See, I just name my filter random things. But yeah, so the filter you're going to want to do is Avalon. Oh no, this messed up. I messed it up. I messed everything up. Okay, you're just going to do Avalon. That's how it's going to look. Wowzers. Okay, then you're going to export it. If it's ever going to save. All my apps hate me. They never save properly. I don't know why. Okay, I'll be back when this starts to work. Okay, so I finally decided to work. So after you do the little filter, after you do the filter, that's literally it. That's all I do. And then after I finish writing my text, I go on to Ultralight once more, and I add the filter. I don't know what filter this is, honestly. Let me check. Okay, it's Avalon, but you put the intensity to 50. And that's it, and then you're done your whole coloring. So, it looks better with text. Oh, now it's being bad again, it's not saving. But you get the point. It looks like this at the end. And again, it depends on the lighting, because like this video had good lighting, I guess, or whatever. It had like, it's bright, but if it was a little darker, it would be darker, if that makes sense. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys had fun. So yeah, peace out, bye. I'll see you guys in a few days.